These are the only trades you need to know about today, starting with number 10, Intel. We're watching the chip maker today as the company prepares to release its quarterly earnings after the closing bell this afternoon. Analysts are calling for adjusted earnings to come in at 49 cents a share, over 25% lower than the same quarter last year. Dom?
Well, Betty, we're going to stay in tech for number 9. It's Cisco, the telecommunications equipment maker, downgraded to underweight at JP Morgan. They say that the shares are vulnerable after rising nearly 40% off their 2012 lows. The firm also cut its price target by about 10% to $18 a share, Matt.
Number 8 is Pandora. The web-based music radio company is facing a 25% increase in royalties for music from Sony, according to the New York Post, after the two companies reached a 12-month music licensing deal, despite the internet company's vocal demands to increase the fees it pays. Betty?
And in media, number 7 is CBS. Shares of the media company led by CEO Les Moonves much higher in early trading after the company said it will convert its outdoor advertising division into a real estate investment trust, or REIT, and find a buyer for the European and Asian parts of that business. Alex?
Coming in number 6, got to check out BlackRock. The world's largest money manager saw a 24% increase in fourth quarter earnings, beating Wall Street estimates. BlackRock also boosted its quarterly dividend by 12% and increased its buyback program by an additional 7.5 million shares. Matt?
Number 5 is HewlettPackard. The company headed by Meg Whitman is being approached by investment bankers looking to buy the assets, according to sources, after HewlettPackard said it would consider disposing of businesses that didn't meet goals. Betty?
And at number 4, you've got Rio Tinto, the world's second biggest mining company, is saying goodbye to its former CEO, Tom Albanese, who stepped down after 5 years at the helm. Albanese's departure is fueled by the company's $14 billion write-down for failed aluminum and coal deals.
Well, number 3, Betty, is Boeing, a name we've been talking about a lot. The airplane maker's Dreamliner has been grounded around the world until the company can prove that the plane's batteries are safe after a 787 was forced to make an emergency landing due to a battery fire. This is the first time in 34 years that the FAA has grounded an entire airplane model, Alex.
From planes to banks, number 2, Bank of America. The North Carolina-based firm announcing that profit dropped 63% as costs climbed from foreclosures and flawed home loans made as long as a decade ago. That's including a settlement with Fannie Mae, which took away 16 cents in profit per share. Betty?
And I want to stay on banks, guys, because your number 1 stock is Citigroup. It missed estimates in its first earnings report under the newly appointed CEO, Michael Corbat. The bottom line was hurt by legal costs, including a $300 million settlement with regulators who were probing the claims over improperly seized homes.